Welcome to the Sabre Client Retention Rewards Program, designed to offer our valued clients unbeatable prices and exclusive benefits. Here's how it works. When you make a purchase with us, be it on terms of up to 90 days or cash purchases at your already discounted rate, whether you're an end user, reseller or distributor, you benefit from immediate savings. But that's just the beginning. Sabre goes a step further by offering additional discounts based on your business history with us or to match competitive pricing. Over and above these discounts, without any registration for it, Sabre provides a credit note against your account, or voucher if it's on a cash deal, which you can redeem anytime over a 2-month period, starting a month after your purchase. Our rewards program is all about retaining your loyalty on good quality brand products by giving you the best prices up front, better than our competitors. We then give you an extra reason to come back with an additional discount on future purchases. These discounts are calculated based on our internal sales criteria and are offered at the discretion of the Sabre sales team. Use the Sabre Client Retention Rewards Program automatically from today without any registration required and enjoy the best deals guaranteed, unmatched service and rewards that keep you coming back. Sabre, your partner in success.